All right, simple ionic compounds, really straightforward. Um, this is where you are given a formula and if I have to go from formula to name, well, what we do, given a formula, I don't know, let's pick MgCl2. In this case, the hardest part is finding these things on the periodic table. I look up Mg, I see, oh, there's only one possible ion charge, which does tell me I don't need to worry about any kind of a Roman numeral. I find Cl, well, that's chloride as an ion, and I name this as just the names of the two ions, magnesium chloride. Right. Slightly harder is if we have to, oops, try that again, come up with a formula if I give you the name. And so let's take a look at this example here. Yttrium. Let's make up some yttrium sulfide. This is about as hard as this type of problem can get. So in this case, again, hardest part, I got to find these silly things on the periodic table. When I finally get to yttrium, and not confusing it with ytterbium, yttrium is Y, and that's going to have a 3+ charge. And then I have sulfide, which has a 2- charge. Now your notes says all of this stuff about least common multiple and things like that. And that works. Least common multiple of 3 and 2 is 6. And that's just a quick way to figure out how many of these 3+ and how many of these 2- do I need. And the idea is here, I'm going to need the same number of pluses as minuses. So if I was showing my work, I could show it completely by saying, oh, I've got 2 of these things. That gives me a total of 6 pluses. And then I need 3 of these things, which gives me a total of 6 minuses. And at this point, my formula now, there's 2 of the yttriums, so Y2. And I've got 3 of the S's, S3. And that's really as difficult as the simple ionic compound things get to be.